You guys, I am so excited about today's video. Stay tuned. I'm going to be showing you how you can take your frizzy, lifeless curls and turn them upside down, make them bouncy, beautiful, glossy, all the fun things. So stay tuned. Before we get into it, make sure you hit that like button because it really means the world to us. It helps us out so much and we so appreciate it. I'm going to be using a deep conditioner today. It's the DevaCurl Heaven in Hair Divine Deep Conditioner. So first step, I'm going to wet my hair and then I'll put this on and show you what that looks like. So I'm just going to wet my hair. Water is going to help open up my hair's cuticle so that the deep conditioning treatment can get in there and do its work even better. So now I'm just going to section my hair to where I can just grab one chunk at a time and make sure it's nice and conditioned. My hair's literally so tangly, so it might take a second. And then I literally just smooth it into the hair shaft, making sure, oh my gosh, this smells amazing. I'll have to get this one. Making sure that it's fully coated. The funny thing is, I think you could literally use this entire bottle of deep conditioner if you wanted to. That's just the thing about curly hair, especially mine, it is thirsty. It is summer and I go blonde and just all the things. So I like to make sure that I'm doing treatments regularly. I'm Pippi Longstocking. Hey, ha ha, hoo, hi, hey. You know those movies where the movie stars go through the car wash and then they come out the other side? That's what I feel like I look like right now. It looks really funny, but it does wonders for your hair. When you are applying the product, you want to make sure that you're putting it on the mids and the ends especially. You can definitely put it on your roots. Depending on how curly your hair is, you might need it there. But I will say, your roots are the healthiest part of your hair, so they really need the least amount of attention. At the end, I normally just bring all of my hair behind me and just put a little hair tie in it. I'll wrap it up, wrap it around, put a hair tie in and let it do its thing. If you want to put a little bit more on top, you definitely can. I feel like I look so funny, y'all, but it does great things for your hair. Put some on your forehead. Just kidding, don't do that. There's no health benefits. It's just a fashion statement if you want to put it on your forehead. Okay, there you go. Do I look like J-Lo or do I look like I need to go take a shower? You decide. I just washed the treatment out of my hair and I just wrapped it up in a cotton t-shirt. So I'm just gonna style my hair out like usual and I'll show you guys the result. As you can see, I styled my hair out and I did get a haircut recently, but I feel like it looks pretty good. The volume and the definition and the shine, they're all there, and I think the treatment helped so much with that. So y'all, please try it out. We'll link what products we use in the description below. Like this video, comment, tell us what you think, and we'll see you next time.